Can you use a renovation loan to convert a grungy old basement into a beautiful wine cellar? Absolutely. And different designs also. You can also convert it into an art studio or a library or even a home office or an ADU. All you need to do is go to readyforremodel.com. If you already own your house, go to Stay and Upgrade and put your property address in our import function, and we'll import all the specifics of that property. You'll have to take photos and upload them yourself to have access to our AI visualizer software. If you're looking to buy a house, go to Found a Fixer and import any property address across the country, and we'll import not only the specifics of that house, the bedroom, bathroom, and square footage count for the estimate software, but also all the photos that the listing agent uploaded. So we'll upload all that detail, including, again, the bedroom, bathroom, square footage count, all the photos, and you get access to our tools to help you visualize all of the repairs that you want to do. We're talking about all the photos, the front of the house, the back of the house, kitchen, bathroom. You'll have access to our AI visualizer software, plus our estimating software that's specific to that house that'll give you accurate estimates for kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, new roof, windows, doors, plumbing, electrical, all the things that you want to do to an older house that needs to be modernized and fixed up. And you'll have access to our renovation mortgage calculator that creates a mortgage that's affordable for you that includes all those remodeling expenses into a 30-year mortgage and amortize that out so it's affordable to you. So all you need to do is go to readyforremodel.com and start living your dream.